Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. CryptoSnake here, and today I'm reviewing one of the best ways to secure your seed phrase, the Stamp Seed Titanium Stamping Kit. Since your seed phrase is the most important part of your wallet security, I'll show you how this kit works and walk you through unboxing it. Let's get started! I met James and Adam from Stamp Seed at the Bitcoin 2023 conference in Miami, where they showed me their product. I was honestly impressed by how simple and effective it is. Instead of storing your seed phrase on paper, which can wear out or get damaged, you stamp it onto a titanium plate that's waterproof, fireproof, and can withstand extreme temperatures, keeping your seed phrase safe for the long haul. So let's get started with the unboxing. I have the titanium seed stamping kit here, which comes with a hammer and anvil. The kit is $196. But you can use my discount code CryptoSnake to get 15% off, bringing the price down to $166.60. When you open the kit, the first thing you will see is the instruction leaflet. Then you will find the titanium plate where you will stamp your seed phrase. If you ever need more plates, you can order them directly from the Stamp Seed website. Next, you will find the stamp set with the full alphabet and all numbers. I also have a special Bitcoin logo stamp that I got as a gift from the Stamp Seed team when I met them again at the Bitcoin 2024 conference in Nashville. The Stamp Seed kit also includes a stamping jig. You slide the plate inside, and the lines on the jig help you keep each letter straight and even. Next is the anvil, which has two parts, a rubber base and a metal piece. You place it under the jig to keep everything stable and protect your work surface while stamping. Finally, there is the hammer. I actually bought the kit without the hammer at first, but I ended up going back for it. The Stamp Seed hammer is a bit heavier than the regular hammer, which makes a big difference in the stamping quality. Many of you know I also have a music project called CryptoSnake. Last year I designed a Stack Sets titanium plate, which we featured in my music video for the song Stack Sets. Check it out on my second CryptoSnake channel, and if you want a special plate, you can grab the Stack Sets design on the Stamp Seed website. Now let's get into the stamping. Each stamp has a line on it to help you position it, and you just line it up with the markings on the G. I'm going to stamp CryptoSnake. And I also want to add the Bitcoin logo, since this plate will hold my Bitcoin only wallet phrase. The first try wasn't perfect, so I gave it another shot. Since I had a big camera in front of me, it was tricky to fully focus while stamping, but the result is still readable, and that's what really matters. Here is an example I did off camera, and you can see how clean it looks when you're not filming. To wrap up, securing your seed phrase is one of the most important things you can do to protect your crypto assets, and Stamp Seed makes it easy. These titanium plates are resistant to fire, water, and corrosion, so they're perfect for long-term storage. And that's it for today. Hope you found this video helpful. Check out the CryptoSnake deals page for more great discounts on crypto products, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Catch you next time!